Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying these Roam research insights, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. In this video, we're diving into https://www.web.com. This website offers a powerful suite of tools designed for elaborate on the website's purpose, for example, building a professional online presence, streamlining project management, or connecting with clients. I've been exploring its capabilities and want to share my thoughts on how it might benefit you. One of the key features I found particularly helpful is mention a specific feature and explain its use case, aiming for roughly 50 to 75 words. Another noteworthy aspect is mention a second specific feature and its benefits, again aiming for 50 to 75 words. Now, while I found a lot to like about https://www.web.com, it's not without its areas for potential improvement. One thing I've noticed is mention a minor drawback and explain why it's a drawback, aiming for around 50 words. This isn't a deal breaker, but something to be aware of. Additionally, mention another minor drawback and explain its implications, aiming for around 50 words. Despite these minor issues, the overall experience has been positive. To give you a better idea of how everything works, let's walk through a practical example. Create a hypothetical scenario where the website's tools are being used, providing a detailed step-by-step explanation of the process, aiming for around 100 to 150 words. This should give you a clearer picture of how https://www.web.com can be integrated into your workflow. Moving forward, I plan to explore and mention future exploration of the website or related tools, aiming for around 25 to 50 words. If there are any specific aspects of https://www.web.com you'd like me to cover in future videos, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description, and thanks for watching.